It's a new 2025 Honda Pilot. Style runs in the family, and watch the family run to pile into this roomy Pilot. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, front heated bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and LED low and high beam headlights. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.